Welcome. In this video, we'll demonstrate a quick and easy way to find empirical studies from peer-reviewed journals using APA PsycInfo on the EBSCOhost platform. For this example, I want to find studies on opioid abuse in urban environments. I'll start by typing my first term, opioid abuse, in the first search box. I'm going to leave the drop-down next to the search box set to select a field so that the database looks for articles with this concept in the titles, abstracts, and in several other fields. Notice I'm also using quotes around the words so that they are searched as a phrase. I'll also type "or opioid misuse," which is a phrase more commonly used in recent studies, in the same box to also capture articles that use this phrase instead of opioid abuse. Now, I'll need to search for my second concept, urban environments. In the second box, I'll type urban or city in the search box. Before I set my limits, I'll make sure the Suggest Subject Terms box above my search is not selected. This box will send the search to the Thesaurus tool, which can be helpful for finding additional terms. But for now, I want to focus on my goal, which is to find peer-reviewed empirical studies. To turn on these limits, scroll down the page just a bit. Select the peer-reviewed journal limit. Now scroll down to the methodology box and select empirical study. And now that we're all set, let's scroll back up to the search boxes and select the search button. From the results, the limits that I activated are displayed on the upper left-hand corner. In this case, it says that I'm filtering for peer-reviewed journals and empirical studies. I can also check on the article's detailed information page to make sure that what I'm looking at is in fact an empirical study from a peer-reviewed journal. To do this, select the article's title. On the more detailed information page that opens, scroll down until you are at the methodology section. Here, empirical study is listed. Under the publication type section, this article is labeled as a peer-reviewed journal. In summary, using APA PsycInfo to find empirical studies in peer-reviewed journals is as easy as conducting a search and selecting two limits in the database. Thanks for watching. For more search tips and strategies, please see our YouTube channel or visit the APA website.